Hey everyone, so today I'm showing you how to delete all reposts on TikTok for Android. If you accidentally reposted a bunch of videos and want to remove them all at once, there's a workaround for this. Let's get started. All right, first thing, you can unrepost individual videos by finding them and tapping the repost button again. But if you have too many reposts and want to delete them all at once, we need to contact TikTok support. Open the TikTok app on your Android phone and tap on your profile icon at the bottom right corner of the screen. Now, tap the three horizontal lines at the top right corner of the screen, then tap on Settings and Privacy. Okay, scroll all the way down until you find the Support and About section and tap on Help Center. Here's the thing, you'll see different problem categories. Scroll down or look at the bottom to find options like Chat with Us. Tap on Chat with Us since there's no specific option for bulk deleting reposts. In the message box, explain your problem. Type something like, "Hi, I accidentally reposted many videos and I want to delete them all at once. Please help me remove all my reposts. Thank you." Then tap on the Send to send your message to TikTok support. TikTok support team will receive your request and should respond quickly with instructions on how to remove all your reposts at once. And that's it. That's the best way to delete all TikTok reposts at once. If this helps you out, let me know in the comments below.